Ang flood control corruption sa Pilipinas ay super common dahil sa weak governance, zero transparency, at talamak na katiwalian sa government projects. Here's how it usually goes down, step by step. Pag-release ng budget. Ang gobyerno, mostly through DPWH or LGUs, maglalabas ng malaking pondo for flood control, dredging ng ilog, pag-improve ng drainage, river walls, at paghuhukay ng bagong canals. Bidding process na madalas rigged, dapat may fair public bidding. Pero sa corrupt setup, yung bidding is manipulated agad. May predetermined winner na kaalyado ng politician or opisyal. Overpricing plus kickbacks. Pag nakuha na ng favored contractor yung project, they inflate the cost big time. Yung excess money ibinabalik as kickback sa mga nasa itaas. Substandard materials and shoddy work. Para mas malaki ang kita, they use cheap or recycled materials. Resulta, after 1 or 2 typhoons, sira na ulit. Intentional delays. Some projects pinapatagal nila on purpose para next year may bagong budget ulit. Fake monitoring and whitewashing. Kahit may site inspection, madalas nabubulsa or napipilitan magbigay ng clean report. Ang epekto sa ordinaryong Pinoy, patuloy ang matinding baha, nasasayang ang bilyon-bilyong buwis at nawawala ang tiwala sa gobyerno. Kaya every time may bagyo, hindi lang kalamidad ang problema, kasama na rin ang kalamidad na gawa ng mga nasa poder.